Yeah, hello guys. Okay, today we would like to study about conditional sentence. Yeah, it will be in chapter 8. Yeah, conditional sentence type 1 and 2. Do you know what conditional sentence is? Yeah, that's right. Conditional sentence adalah kalimat pengandaian. Oke, yang kita pelajari sekarang adalah type 1 and 2. Oke. Uh, apa ya? What is it? What will we find in type 1? Okay, let's see. Yeah, okay. There is a short passage. Would you please read the short passage and try to answer the question? Okay. Yeah. Where is the writer studying? Good. In SMK, in vocational high school. When will he get the final exam? In June, yeah. When will in June, yeah? According to the passage. That's right, yeah. Next year. Why? Because now the writer is in the second year. So he will get the final exam in June next year. What will he do then? What will he do after passing the final exam? Right, he will find a job. Yeah. Do you think this hope will happen? It means that he want to find a job may happen? Right, it may happen. Yeah, it will happen. Why? Because it's still in the future. Yeah, will happen in the future in June at least. Okay, yeah. So what he hope is uh, going to happen. Yeah, may happen. It is impossible for the writer to get a job. Okay, now write all the sentences in red letter, and then after you have written it, you can make the pattern of the sentences. Okay, now let's show the whole sentence. Yeah. Okay, the first, yeah, there are three. The first, if I work hard, I will be in the third year next year. Second, and if there is no change in schedule, I will have my final exam in June. And the last, if I pass it, I will find a job. Yeah. Once again, do you think it may happen? That's right. Yes, it may happen. Yeah. If he work hard, yeah. Remember the writer is still in the second year. If he work hard, he will be in the third year. And then in the third year, in June, he will have final examination. Okay. And then he pass the final exam, he will find a job. Okay, good. That is type 1. Yeah. Okay. Have you written the pattern? Good. Yeah. Now the pattern will be, yeah, if subject verb 1, it means the first form of the verb, and then subject present modal verb 1. Yeah. How many sentences? Yeah, there are. Okay, there are two clauses. Good. In one sentence, there are two clauses. The first if subject verb 1, the second is subject present modal and verb 1. Okay, in the first clause, yeah, there is conjunction if. Yeah, what does it mean? Okay, means, yeah, it means jika atau seandainya. Okay, jika atau seandainya. That is conditional type 1. Now let's continue to the second type. Okay, that's the second, this one. Okay, now read again and answer all the questions. Okay, what department is the writer in now? Good, yeah, he is in electrical department now. Yeah, now. What is his hobby? Drawing, good drawing. What do you think about building construction? Yeah, he's saying that if he were at building construction, he would improve his skill. What is his skill? Good drawing. Yeah, if he were at the building construction, he would improve his drawing. And then he might be successful drafter if he did. If he do it, if he did means his skill attentively. Okay. Yeah. And then, do you think what he wants? Yeah, did he want? He want to be a successful drafter. Yeah. Do you think what he want? may happen or can happen? Yes, no, no, we don't think so. Why? Because now he is in electrical department, so it is impossible for the writer to be a drafter. Yeah, he may be an electrician. He will not be a drafter. Why? Because he is now in electrical department. But what his dream is to be successful drafter. Yeah. So once again, it's impossible. It cannot happen. Yeah. Okay. Now, would you please write all the sentences like what you did in the first time? And then after this, write the pattern. Okay, now let's see the whole sentences. Yeah, there are 3. If I were at the building construction, I would improve my skill a lot. I might be successful drafter if I did it attentively, and a person would enjoy his work if he liked it. Okay, yeah. So this is the second time. Now, what about the pattern? Yeah, the pattern is like what you see on the slide. Yeah. If subject, second verb, subject, past modal, and verb 1 or the first form. Yeah, what is the difference between type 1 and type 2? Okay, now let's see the whole pattern. Yeah, okay. This is type 1. Remember type 1? Bentuknya tadi, tensesnya simple present. Ya, untuk apa itu? For your dream in the future. Ya, simple present. And then, this is the pattern untuk future action. While type 2 tadi, verbnya pada if clause menggunakan type 2. Ya, oke. Untuk kapan itu? Untuk kegiatan sekarang. Oke, good. Simple past tense. Ya kan nanti second verb means simple past tense. And then this is for the present action. Oke, let's see the pattern. Ya, Anda perhatikan. Ya, bedanya pada if clause, verbnya pada type 1 itu the form, while and the second type on the second form. Okay, but in the second clause, what is the difference? That's right, the difference is in the modal of the modal. The modal on the first type use present modal, while on the second type use past modal. Do you know the example of the present modal? Okay, good. Will. What else can? Okay, and then what in the past? Will be would. Can will be would. Yeah. Now let's see other example. Iya, present modal. Oke, will menjadi would, can jadi could, may will be might, shall, should, must, and had to. Yeah. Okay, that's all about conditional sentence. Yeah, so you know the difference between type 1 and type 2 tadi. Ya. Oke, kalau kita lihat tayangan sebelumnya. Ya. Nah, ini type 1 menggunakan simple present. Type 2 menggunakan past tense atau simple past tense. Simple present digunakan future action that it may happen, it is impossible to happen, while type 2 use simple past for the present action what happened now. And then do you think the conditional here will happen? No, it's different, contrary to the fact, berlawanan dengan kenyataan. Ya. Oleh karena itu, we use simple past tense. Yeah, I think that's all. And then would you please, after this, you can do the exercise. Yeah, this is the exercise. Okay, thank you. Good luck.